I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. In this guide, I will show you how to apply a credit memo to a customer payment. If you don't know Coleno, go on coleno.com or check the Suite App Marketplace. And first, you will navigate to Transactions, Customers, Accept Customer Payments, List. We then click on the relevant payment with an edit category here, but I only have view, so I'll create a new one to show you. I will choose my customer. Perfect, I have it here. So what you can do here on the Apply subtab, where I'm on right now, you can go to the Credits subtab. And you can check the box next to the credit memo you want to apply. So for example here, this one. So by default, it shows the full remaining amount to apply, but I could just say, for example, only 20. If you want to apply all, you can just click on Mark All. Small tip, you need to make sure to clear the box next to any credit you don't want to apply here. If you prefer NetSuite to automatically apply the credit memos, you can just click on Auto Apply and it will apply first to the oldest invoices and go progressively like that. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel for more super useful tutorials. I would greatly appreciate it. And then here you head to the Invoices subtab and you can decide where the credits are being applied to. So for example, on this one. Obviously here it creates a payment with a 20 difference from the 171. So if I only want the credits applied and no payments, I would just do it like that. Now the payment is 0, but it shows that there's a total of 20 that has been applied. You then click Save to finalize the application. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video. And additionally, if you need to apply a credit memo directly from an invoice, you would go to the invoice. So I'll go to Sales and then create Invoices list. I'll open this one. And then you could just click here in the top left on Accept Payment and follow the same process. Please note that the account fields on both the credit memo and the invoice need to match for successful application. Thank you for watching, and I'm leaving in the comments an exclusive NetSuite newsletter, so please join it, and I'll see you in the next video.